Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Treasury Bills on eTrade. The first thing I want you to do is actually just go to the trading section and then click on bonds and CDs, okay? And then from here you can find your Treasury Bills. So we'll go over here to advanced screener, right? You can scroll down, look for, treasury auctions, or you can come to tools and resources. And if you have an, auction order for a treasury, then you can go ahead and buy those as well. And just choose which one you want. Say 1 month US Treasury bill or 2 month, and then preview your order. Right? Of course, make sure everything is correct. Your buy order is correct, the amount, things like that. And once you're happy with it, hit place order, and you should get a notification in your email. Right? Your buy order for $5,000, for example. And if it's executed, you'll see that it has been executed. You can go to your account, profile right there, or even on your orders here. You'll see if they're still open or if they have been executed, just like this. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.